Ladies and gentlemen at Clima House 2018, let me convey to you the best wishes from the European Commission in Brussels. You know we are working very hard to put in place a policy to implement the commitments we took at the Paris Agreement on climate change a couple of years ago. Now, just a few weeks ago, we adopted our targets for 2030 and we were putting them into legislation. Now, we are doing not too bad. For our targets on 2020, we are today at minus 23%. Now, moving from 23% to 40% in the coming 10 years is going to be a challenge, but we are confident we are going to make it. Because for us, climate change policy and economic growth can go hand in hand. Now, adopting targets is one thing, but implementing and delivering the targets is another one. And that is where the topic you are working on, energy efficiency, and in particular in the construction sector, is so important. We have a directive on the energy performance of buildings, where we agreed that by 2020 already, our buildings would be nearly zero energy buildings. We also noted that you in South Tirol, you were already adopting a standard for that, the CasaClima A. And that is a very important example and shows the way for others in the European Union to follow. So we would like to congratulate for that. Now, at the same time, we know that improving energy efficiency in buildings is a challenging task that may require more finance. So that's why we are talking to the European Investment Bank to create a separate instrument to do that. And we are already making progress on that. Climate change, however, is already happening. And we see the effects already, not only in your region, but across the world and across Europe. So what we have to do those days is to look at the climate proofing of our buildings and how to improve the climate resilience of our buildings. That is a request that comes from the insurance sector, and that is going to be an issue that is going to keep us busy in the coming months and years. So a lot of work on the table, and I wish you, for that reason, all the best in your deliberations at Clima House 2018, and I send you again my best regards. Thank you very much.